So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, we have here these 6 questions to answer on the topic variation in population. So guys, this video will be about physiological variation. So in short, to stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, the ability of some individuals to test phenylethylcarbamide is A. Morphological adaptation, B. Physiological variation, C. Physiological adaptation, D. Morphological variation. So guys, the answer to this question is option B, and that's physiological variation. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 2 here. It says, which of these physiological variations is sex-linked? We have A. Albinism, B. Hemophilic condition, C. Blood groups, D. Sickle cell anemia. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, and that's hemophilic condition. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 3 here. It says, which of the following traits in humans is an example of physiological variation? We have A. Height, B. Tongue rolling, C. Fingerprints, and D. Skin color. So guys, the answer to this question here is option B, and that's tongue rolling. So tongue rolling is an example of physiological variation out of all the options listed here. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 4 here. It says, which of the following is an example of physiological variation? We have A. Human height, B. Skin color, C. Blood groups, D. Fingerprints. So guys, out of the options here, option C is the physiological variation, and that's blood groups. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 5 here. It says, which of the following traits in humans can be affected by environmental factors? We have A. Baldness, B. Tongue rolling, C. Skin color, D. Eye color. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, and that's skin color. Skin color can be affected by environmental factors, and that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next and last question, guys. That's question number 6 here. It says, which of the following variation is applicable to a weight lifter? We have A. Discontinuous variation, B. Hereditary variation, C. Continuous variation, and D. Acquired variation. So guys, the variation here that is applicable to a weight lifter is acquired variation, and that's option D here. So that's it for this question. This is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below, and we'll ensure to give you a response. So guys, we also want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.